Welcome back to the No Limit Crypto channel. So we are going to look at Cardano right now. Yesterday was a big day for Cardano, and we're gonna look what happened yesterday on the price action and where we are right now. If you enjoy this daily Cardano and other cryptocurrency videos, please consider liking and subscribing. Let's get right into it. So Cardano. Yesterday, massive day, the biggest milestone in Cardano history. We have smart contracts officially on the Cardano platform. But what happened on the price yesterday? As I predicted, it was more a case of buy the rumor, sell the news. To some extent, we didn't have a big spike or a pump as a lot of people expected, because everything on the launch, as far as I know, has gone well. And as I said in yesterday's video and on Saturday, the price already included the good side of the Cardano, the Alonso hard fork. So it already included the good parts, like if everything went well, we have already pumped to that level. If something went wrong, the story would have been totally different. But everything went well, price holds steady, and right now we are looking at the future of Cardano, because it doesn't stop here. This is just the start of Cardano. Now we really start moving. Sorry. Now we really start moving. Now we have smart contracts. It's gonna be a really nice future. It's gonna be an amazing end of the year for Cardano, I think. And I think there's a lot of other people who are really hyping up Cardano and mooning it right now. And I do have to agree with them a lot. Now we have smart contracts. Now it's less of a speculative project. Now there's something concrete. So now it's time to work. Now it's time to really work. So yeah, a big milestone. So what happened yesterday on the price? We didn't have a dump caused by the release. We had a market-wide dump, or closing in, or on the weekly close. A couple of hours before the weekly close, we had a big dump everywhere, like really market-wide. Some held better, some coins did worse. But for Cardano, we had this little dump, and if my guess is correct, we might have entered a channel right here. I think there might be some extra support down here for this channel, but it looks like we have been dumping, and now we found support on this trend line. So this might be a channel that we are going to be in right now. Or if we fail to find support right here, because we have this little resistance line probably over here coming from, we have tested this trend line once, twice. It's more been a test and then push through and test and then push through, and now we are looking at a test, I would guess, just based on what I can see in that one. But the second scenario for Cardano right now is that we go through, we come back down to 210, around the 210, and then we enter this even larger channel and move in this one. It's gonna be a pretty volatile channel if we end up in there, but those are my two guesses looking at the market right now. There's nothing, no bearish divergences, no big indicators of anything massive happening. So yeah, we're looking at those two channels. If we fail again at this channel, I'm looking at $1.80 or $1.40 is the next level. These are based on volume profiles, and so there's been spikes in volume at these levels, meaning that there are going to be support and resistance lines over there. And actually, I just remembered, we did break a trend line to the upside yesterday on the RSI, and now we came back under it. So we need to see the RSI climb back above this trend line to see big things happening in Cardano. And also the EMAs on the 4-hour chart, you know, it's my main chart. They don't look so that amazing right now. Like we are exactly in a bearish scenario. We made a bearish crosses over here, and right now we have the 12, 26, 50 and 100 in the wrong direction. We would love to see green, yellow, blue, pink from the top down. So that doesn't look well, but I'm really assuming that this channel could be a thing. It seems like a likely scenario where we go down to this channel and then we start moving upwards. And we are going to see all-time highs soon enough, I think. Like nothing, we had the smart contract, like we can't be going down now. I don't think, like now as I said, now the work starts. So let's look at a price prediction. So I have I'm gonna draw a Fibonacci line from the top over there to right here. So the next price prediction I think we are going to is $3.40. Once we reached, I'm just drawing a scenario. Don't quote me on this. If this happens, I'm gonna post some sort of nice video about it, but I would guess that we do something like, obviously there's gonna be a channel and it's not gonna go straight up, but we gonna test the dollar and 162% Fibonacci line, come back down and test the last all-time high. Then we might go up to the 241, come back down to the 161, and then we are going to the 261. And that's where I think that's a realistic prediction for this year. But if we start going like parabolic and everything, there's that FOMO, everything goes crazy as the markets sometimes go, we're looking at these $6 exactly and $6.40. That's basically what I'm looking at now. I moved the Fibonacci, but yeah, that's what I'm looking for. In recap, big day, possible channel forming. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Peace out.